Working together to connect. New digital technologies are emerging at a staggering rate. Cloud computing, blockchain, artificial intelligence, mobile, and OTTs are innovative breakthroughs on their own. Combined, however, their potential increases exponentially, creating even more opportunity and innovation, but also disruption. New digital technologies challenge businesses to innovate. As industries adapt to create better products and improve customer experiences, digital technologies can improve our lives with more services and more choice, and help us find solutions to both economic and environmental challenges. For example, cloud-based technology has fueled innovation to improve water security. Mobile communication has fostered mobile apps to aid in disaster recovery. And cloud technologies have enabled scientists to accelerate COVID-19 vaccine research and campaign deployment. Regulators and policymakers need to keep pace and create enabling environments, promoting the use of new technologies and spurring innovation on one hand, while protecting citizens on the other. ITU members have co-created a report on the impact of emerging technologies for developing countries. Specifically, the impact of mobile services, OTT applications, and cloud computing. The report recommends promoting the adoption of emerging technologies to accelerate socio-economic development. It also recommends supporting the digital economy and the use of emerging technologies by adapting legal and institutional frameworks and implementing strategies to develop and share resources. That means secure, countrywide access to cloud services needs to be ensured. Cooperation between OTTs and telecommunication partners should be supported. Mobile services should be accessible by both feature phones and smartphones. Investment in digital literacy is recommended to encourage the use of mobile services. Financial, health, government, and transportation services should be available as mobile services. Adopting collaborative regulation to enable core services such as financial, health, and education. And data should be encouraged to flow freely to promote economic growth. In the end, new technologies should be improving our business environments and our lives. Working together to connect. www.itu.int